Lucy Chavez. I'm here with Vanessa D. Weld, and today we'll be discussing the U.S. economy and its status as a whole.
To give you insight on the economy, it is pretty much based on how the consumer, business, and government spends money, and pretty much it's measured by gross domestic product, which is how fast or slow the economy grows. And with that being said, our economy has grown by 2.1% in the third quarter, if I'm correct, the third quarter of 2019. And personal income, which includes wages and salaries, increased by 0.5% in November after its slight increase in October. In reference to industry economics, 17 out of 22 industries aided in the 2.1 increase of the GDP.
As we enter the year of 2020, the economy is considered to be in good condition. This is all thanks mainly to the gross domestic product. President Trump has also made claims that he wants to increase the economy by at least 4%, which is considered to be a fast pace in comparison to all previous years. As for employment rate, he has made claims on his Twitter at Real Donald Trump that it has been at an all-time low, declining in 3.5% in recent years, which has been the lowest in 50 years. As for the economy for the rest of the year, the predicaments are that it will be increasing, at a slow rate. As for unemployment, it is considered to be decreased. Unemployment rate is considered to be decreasing throughout the years at a slow rate, as well as inflation.
Yes. So with that being said, as we close our 2019 economic year, we've had our highs and lows with inflation and GDP. However, we stood as Americans and continue to grow. And we're definitely going to need that for this China trade deal.
Definitely. Which actually brings us into today's podcast. The United States has officially begun, as of January 15, 2020, the U.S. and China trade agreement. And although I could go on about it on and on, I'm actually just sending to my interviewer, Abigail Gutierrez, to introduce our special guest tonight.
Donald. You're still on air. Oh.
What?
Cut the cameras.
We apologize for the technical difficulties. We will return to the program as soon as possible.
The Recession Films digital team spent time with a citizen who goes by the name of Bill, an openly proud Trump supporter, to get a better understanding of what the public opinion is pleased with and what they would like to see happen with the U.S. and China trade agreement. Following a short questionnaire, this is what our team has gathered.
I'll tell you what, I think I don't have anything to do with the economy anymore because I'm retired.
Yes.
But I think it is benefiting everybody in our country.
Okay.
I can only hope it is. I see different things on TV. One channel says, no, it's not helping the lower class. But I have to believe it is. Because everything seems to always run downhill in our country. So the lower class, of course, we don't have any classes in this country.
What's your expectations of the U.S.-China trade agreement?
Well, I hope that someplace in there it's written that they can't steal our stuff anymore. That's a big thing because that's how they've got so wealthy over there, on our back. And even if they are loaning us a lot of money, they're doing it on our back. And our farmers will benefit because they're going to have to buy more stuff from our farmers. So I think it'll be a good thing for us.
And we are back with breaking news. U.S. and China Phase 1 in the trade agreement has been finalized and is currently going into effect. This could be the start to the end of a 2-year tariff war that taxed goods and inflated prices of everyday necessities.
Hi, on today's topic, I actually brought in a special guest. We have our POTUS here, Donald Trump. Nice to meet you. How are you doing tonight?
pretty sure.
Very nice. So, give us a little more insight on the China trade. Like, what led you to to sign?
Well, the U.S. trade deal has hindered the economy as well as leaving consumers pay more and more out of pocket for basic necessities. And because of that, I'm interested in freeing the economy as well as the trade.
And could you elaborate on that a little more?
Well, the trade agreement itself isn't a complete end on the tariff war. It's only a start toward a decline on the tariffs. So starting off the trade deal, China has pledged to buy $200 million, $billion in energy, agriculture, and various types of services within the U.S. economy.
All right. And then, what is the chance of this working? What are the chances of it working or failing?
Well, as of now, everything's looking good, but only time can tell if China will abide by the U.S. regulations and tariff agreements.
Okay. Very nice for you to come in today and speak on the behalf of the China trade deal. Thank you so much. We've had a good time.
Right.
You do the thing.
You're fired.